name is Scrap Queen and today I like to show you my latest project. Stay tuned! Okay guys, so yeah, this is my latest project. It's a huge mini album. Not calling a mini album, it's a huge album. And the sizes are, let's see, yeah, I think an 8.5 by, how do you measure this? It's so huge. By, well, almost 12, but it's not. Let's say an 11.5. So it's huge. It's definitely wow. And the spine is a 3.5 spine. For the centimeters, it's 21 by 29.5 centimeters, and it's 8 centimeters thick. Alright, so yeah, if you're looking for a big album to make, then you will definitely like to follow this tutorial, because of course I made a tutorial. And but yeah, let me go in and let me show you everything else. Alright, so let me first go to the outside. I decorated it, of course, with some flowers, and I hope you like it. I do, at least. I'm in love with the color combinations. And so yeah, I definitely love this image also. So cute. Oh, let me first tell you which papers that I used. It's from Fleur Designs. Genteel, it's called originally. I had this quite a while in my stash. Finally time to use it. I don't think that it's anywhere available right now. I don't know, but it's from a few years back. But I really like it and I'm so happy that I finally could use it. So this is the paper that I used for the front. Then I used this beautiful fabric. Yeah, kind of lace, kind of fluffy thing, fabric. It's just fabric, I really like it, and I just added some ribbon at the front to decorate it all, and at the back I used a different lace but almost the same. So yep, let's go inside. Alright, so my first page, this is the protection sheet, and wait just a second. My chair is so annoying. I really need to oil it. And I keep saying that for a week now. But I really need to do that. Alright, so I do have a few protection sheets. They are easily be made with some document folders or other clear stacks you can use. I just cut it in half, so it's only one sheet. So I just do that to protect some issues that are in this album, to avoid that something is damaged. Alright, so this is my first page. As you can see right here, there is a nice little pocket at the bottom where you can add a little tags inside or little booklets. It's totally up to you what you want to add in here, but I just added these 3 little tags. And then we have a big tag which you can add a nice picture at the bottom right here, and then you have loads of space for adding extra pictures. Then a nice extra picture frame right here also. Love this carousel. And then on the left side there are also extra place for photos. Then inside this big pocket there is a nice tag which you can use to write something down or also put some photos on. Same as this one, it's a little tuck spot, writing spot, photo spot, whatever you want to do with these big tags. You also can take them out and put your photos inside, totally up to you. And then this big booklet holds this everything down. And then we have a big pocket underneath, which is also a great opportunity to add more pictures in. And now I realize that in all these tunnels I totally forgot to add an insert inside. I always forget that. I don't know why, but I always do. Alright, so then you just flip this clear sheet, and then this will be nicely saved for everything what's going on this page. Okay, next page we have 2 pockets right here, and these are just simple booklets where you can add your pictures inside or write something down. Super cute. I did cut out sometimes this beautiful notch, and I created a template which we are going to make together in the tutorial. And if you will see what I use for that, you will laugh, but follow the tutorial, you will see that. And then on top here we also have a nice booklet, same thing. And I just cut out the top of this carousel to make this pocket a little fun. Could not resist using that. And then this flips to the left, these 2 actually. And then we have a big space for photos. Love that. Difficult for me because I normally do not do big places, just simple adding paper on it, but sometimes it's necessary. Alright, and then on this left side we have a little swing tab. So this flips open, so you can have white spots, writing spots, or adding a little picture. Same thing with this one. And then same right here. Just open this up, and then you have a nice writing spot or place for photo, and then also a nice tag at the back. And then this one is also a pocket where you have another tag inside. Same thing with this one. Look how beautiful that is. Love it. Alright, and then we go to this page. Alright, here we have a big, well, 2 big pockets with 2, I guess 2 booklets. Yep. Place for photo, white spots, and there is one right here too. As you can see, I just keep doing that. Use all your scraps. I just love to do that, and you can make so many extra tags with that. Then this goes right here, and then here we have a swing tab that flips up. Writing spot, place for photo, or reverse, that's totally up to you. And then in the back there is a big pocket, and I added some papers inside, which you can use for adding pictures or write some your memorable, yeah, write some memories on it. And just put this back, and this flips to the right. Here we have also 2 pockets which are all something inside. Nice tags where you can add your extra photos on, just as many as you want, of course. Then this flips to the right, and then here you have a big tag or page where you can, yeah, for me, if I would choose that, I will write something down here, but you also can place a nice photo. And right here on this side we have made a little tuck spot, so you can write something down here, but you still have place for photo right there. Then this goes to the left, and then here another big background where you can add a nice big picture or 2 small ones, totally up to you. And here we have a nice pocket with another booklet inside. This was actually not particularly a die, but I will tell you in the tutorial what I use for that. Super cute. And then this all goes back, and then I first need to put this back in the pockets before we continuing with the next page. Alright, so the next page is, again, we have a clear sheet, a protection sheet, to avoid anything that will be damaged. I really like that. Then these are just two simple pockets, but simple but cute. Love these. And I just added two, I call these booklets. Yep, two booklets where you can add your pictures on, and a nice leftover tag that fits right here. So just two simple pockets, but oh gosh, I love those. Then we go to the next page. The next page, this is a nice booklet. Again, love that. So loads of places to write something down, adding pictures on here, super cute. Then this opens up, and you still can add your pictures right here, of course. And you open this up, then I have two little tuck spots. Right, I could not resist adding a few little extra spots for adding these beautiful little note cards inside. Let's go back in. There you go. And then here I created again a big pocket and a big tag with extra place for photos, but you still can add your things in here, of course. And then this closes down, and then this is the closure. Then we go to the next page. Okay, the next page is again with an do you notice how fast I forget words? Protection sheet, and again a protection sheet. Oh, I get dementia, I don't know. And then we, of course, two nice beautiful spots, and then you have this closure. You open that up, place for photos, photo, 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 photo. Here you also can add a photo if you want. And then at the back there is a pocket where I added a tag, but you still can add your own pictures inside. And then this closes everything down with a ribbon. There you go, the same thing right here. Just a few little pages for a waterfall and a nice big tag at the end. Here we go. Oop. There you go. Then we flip this to the left. And then we have some flippable extra place for photos. So you can place your photo right here. And then we have a nice booklet inside, where you still can add loads of pictures in. And same thing right here. Now this one is removable, so you can add your picture on. So, and on the back it's a booklet. Then this flips to the left, both they are. And then I created again two incisions for adding these lovely tags inside. Same with this one. Oh, I love these tags. Hey, there's even a booklet. And sometimes I do forget. Is it a tag? Is the booklet? But the more place for photos, the better. And then we have the same thing right here. Also a nice booklet. You can use it this way or this way. That's totally up to you. Same thing right here. Oh, look at the images. I just adore this collection. It's so baroque style. I can't say that enough how much I like it. And then here we also have a nice booklet inside with this one also, and still add pictures on here. So many place for photos, absolutely. And then these little belly, but these little belly bands, and that gives you also a nice place for adding your pictures or a nice booklet. Oh, look at this. I'm in love. I am so in love. And also a nice booklet. And to decoration I placed this inside. Oh, I just love it. I can't say that enough, and I will not say that enough. Oh, I do say that enough. Okay, and then for the last page, I made a storage box thing with this closure, a ribbon closure, and let's open this up, and it's a nice clear door, and then inside I made a big booklet, very nice shabby one with loads of pages inside. As you can see, there are, I think, 12 pages inside. So yeah, I really like it. And at the front, a nice little pocket where you can add these tags in. So what do you think? And you can store all your photos or letters or whatever you want to add in here. It's a nice big box. So we close that down with this ribbon. And then the storage box is closed. So what do you think? Do you like this album? Do you like it? I definitely like it. I fell in love with the papers, and I'm so glad that I finally could use it, and I am very happy how it turns out, everything. So yeah, thank God. I always struggle so much and I do not need to, but yeah, I'm that kind of person. So give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and yeah, hope to see you next time. Bye bye.